This is the ESP32-CAM module. A very small camera board, but surprisingly powerful. Even though it's small, this board gives you multiple GPIO pins. You get power pins, serial pins for programming, and a dedicated connector for the camera. With the right setup, these pins let you build some really smart projects. To upload the code, I'm using an ESP32-CAMMB programming board. Just plug the ESP32-CAM into the MB board and connect it to your PC or laptop using a micro USB cable. No extra wiring, no confusion, simple and beginner friendly. Now open Arduino IDE. First time setup, go to File, then Preferences. In Additional Board Manager URLs, paste the ESP32 link and click OK. Next, go to Tools, Board, Boards Manager. Search for ESP32 and install it. Now go to File, Examples, ESP32, Camera, and open Camera Web Server. A new Arduino window will open with multiple files. In camerawebserver.ino, first edit your Wi-Fi SSID and password. Then scroll down and select your ESP32-CAM camera model. After that, go to Tools and set the correct board, COM port, and upload settings. Finally, click Upload. And wait for the code to finish uploading. Now open the serial monitor. Power on the ESP32-CAM, then press the reset button on the ESP32-CAM or the MB programming board. On the serial monitor, you'll see an IP address. Copy that IP and paste it into any browser. A control page will open. On the left side, you'll see camera settings. On the right side, you'll see the live image. First, set the clock speed according to your board. Then click Start Stream. Now choose the resolution you want. You can adjust brightness, contrast, and saturation. Try the special effects, like negative, green tint, or red tint. You can also change white balance mode. If the image is upside down, use vertical flip or horizontal flip. At the end, adjust the image quality. And that's it. Your ESP32-CAM live stream is working. Now let's set up face detection and face recognition. Go to Arduino IDE, then open Tools arrow, Boards Manager. Search for ESP32. Here, select ESP32 board version 1.0.4. This version works best for face detection and face recognition. Install it. Now go to File arrow, Examples arrow, ESP32 arrow, Camera Web Server. A new Arduino window will open with multiple files. Open camerawebserver.ino. First, add your Wi-Fi SSID and password. Then select your ESP32-CAM camera model and uncomment it. Set the clock speed properly. Now go to Tools, select the correct board and COM port. Upload the code. After uploading, open the serial monitor. Press the reset button on the ESP32-CAM. An IP address will appear. Copy that IP and paste it into any browser. The same control page will open. Left side, camera settings. Right side, live video. Click Start Stream. Scroll down and enable face detection. The camera will now detect faces. Turn on face recognition. If no face is stored, it will show intruder alert. Click Enroll Face. The first face will be saved as Face ID 0. Enroll another face. It will be saved as Face ID 1. Now the ESP32-CAM can recognize different faces in real time.